Hello everyone, Penny here, and today I am showing Marcy Coate Designs collab for the Love Hop 2022 event, and I'm super excited. She made these wonderful, beautiful pages that you see here, and I have printed them off, so check out the Facebook groups. All the links will be down below. These are beautiful freebies that she has graciously created and are allowing us to download them for free. So check that out. They are available in the only 2 Facebook groups. So go check those links out down below. And I have printed these. They're 3.5 by 5s, I believe, is what I printed. And since she creates the double page, meaning page here and page here, so when you fold them, you will have a junk journal page. Super excited. And I have decided to make a mini journal. I just could not resist. When I seen these pages, I just saw a beautiful shabby chic mini journal, and I could not help myself. So I am going to sit here and fold these little pages and create a small. Now some of these, it doesn't matter which way they go, but I'm going to create a small mini journal, and since these are 3.5 by 5, and then you fold that. So let's see what these come out to be. So I printed these. So this actually is 4.5. It's 4.5 by. Okay, so it's 3.5 by 4.5. Okay, I did this on just PDF. If you need to know how to make JPEGs into smaller, like you can put so many per page, that's what I did. So this is 4.5 by 3.5, 3.5 by 4.5. So there, that is how small it's going to be. It's super cute, and it's going to be fun. And I'm going to put these 2 pages together. I like to make pages that I can make pockets out of, so that's why I printed on one side, and then I'm going to glue those together, and it will be really cute, really cute, super cute. And I like how that some of these doesn't have a direction, and maybe there is, but with the flowers I'm not going to. I am just going to, some of these do have dates. So some of these do have direction, but that's okay. Some of them don't. But these were so cute. Oh, fold that one the wrong way. These were so cute for a mini journal, and they're so pretty, and they could go with a lot of different kits. Put those inside there. I'm going to make a little signature. This one I'm going to have going, let's see. Here I am just folding the pages with the white sides together, the back sides together, so that I can form pockets later on. So I'm just making 2 little signatures, and there's 6 pages. And then, of course, like I said, there will become pockets later on. And I am going to make sure that I just trim them off a little bit. I'm going to distress them, and as I'm distressing the pages, I'm actually like pushing down on it. So all pages will be a little bit distressed. Here I am making the front and back cover. I'm making it just a little bit bigger than the pages. Here I'm trying to make sure that they're straight, because they were not cut straight, but I did the best. I just eyeballed it. Now I'm going to be working on the spine. I'm trying to figure out how much spine that I need. And actually I cut 2 pieces for my spine because I really want a sturdy spine. Cutting out one of the printed papers, digital papers from Marcy Coate Designs, and this is one of my front covers, and I'm trying to see, I'm just going to glue this in the middle, and this is just a method that I've done. I've seen people do it. I haven't done it this way in a long time. I just wanted to do it really quick. It only took me an hour to make this journal, if that. To record and everything, it was 45 minutes. So here I am just wrapping the cardboard. I thought, I'll cut it like normal, but I thought, nope. I want my cover to be very sturdy because this is a small book. Very tiny little mini journal. So here I am. Didn't even cut the paper. I just glued it all around, distressing. It's thick cover for the front, and now I'm looking for a page for the back, trimming out all the white. I'm going to do the very same thing, placing it in the middle, fold, and glue. That way that my cover is going to be as sturdy as I need it. And once again, I am just doing the same process as I did for the front cover. Now I'm going to distress it. Now I'm going to glue the two spine pieces together. I'm going to wrap the spine piece, but right here I'm going to make the spine so that it will adhere to the covers. I did it differently this time than normal. I'm making a template where I'm kind of making like a spine mat for the spine. So you'll see me here create. And then I got to thinking, oh, I forgot to actually wrap my spine paper, my spine cardboard. So I'm wrapping my spine cardboard here, as you can see. I'm going to distress it. And I should have cut off the little ends, but I didn't. I left those and glued those down. So then I'm just cutting the spine mat template, cutting it down. These are sort of the wings that hold the covers on. So I'm just trimming those down a little bit. Now I'm making sure that it will fit my front cover. And I decide I can't see it, so I'm going to distress it so I can see it better. And you'll see my head get in the way here. But I'm going to distress those wings, those flaps. So I'm going to make a pocket. So I only want to glue on 3 sides. So I want to make sure it's straight front and back. And this allows me also to have a pocket. So here I'm doing the back cover as well. Just trimming it up. Now I'm going to distress it. I'm going to glue down those little spine tabs, which I should have just cut those shorter, but I didn't. Now I'm going to make a mat for my spine, a mat template. And I cut several pieces because I cannot cut straight. But I'm cutting a mat to cover up my spine. That's what I'm doing here, making sure it's straight. So my head will get in the way so I can see. I apologize for that. I'm going to distress this little piece and I'm going to glue it down to cover up that spine. I could put a mat on the outside spine, but I'm not going to because I love that way it looks. And I'm just distressing it until I'm happy with it. And I'm making sure that all of my, it's all distressed. Now I'm just wrapping the signatures in. I didn't sew them in. I didn't use it all. I am just wrapping with the jute rope. Wrapping 3 times, and I'm going to tie it at the bottom. This is just a wrap string. That's all I'm doing. There we go. And now I am putting the closure underneath those strings. And now I'm going to take my glue gun, and this is a hot glue gun, and I'm going to glue to make pockets. I'm going to glue on the side. Then the next page, I'm going to glue at the bottom. And I alternate this so that my pages in my little journal will not be thick. I spread the glue out so there's no bumps. And it holds just fine. This is just a mini little journal. So I hope you enjoyed this. And check out the links down below for where you can get more printables. Bye, everyone.